everybody, my name is Donna Webb and I'm with Bright Sky Nutrition, and today I'm starting a 5-part video series all about sugar. We're hearing so much in the news and social media and on Facebook and our friends and family all talking about how bad sugar is for us. But man, it tastes amazing and it just kind of sucks us in, doesn't it? And so it's really hard to know what you need to do about your sugar intake. So that's what we're going to kind of sort out through the next 5 video series. So part 1, we're going to talk about sugar. And I'm not talking about carbohydrates in general. I'm talking about actual sweet sugar. Talking about sugar. And so I'm talking about agave nectar, high fructose corn syrup, fruit juice concentrate. We're talking about molasses. We're talking about honey. All of those, no matter which one you're talking about, has 2 parts, 2 molecules. Glucose is the first one we're going to talk about, and glucose is used as a fuel source, and all of the cells in our body can use glucose for fuel, so that's a good part. But the only way it can get into our cells to be used for fuel is with something called insulin. That's a hormone, and insulin has to latch onto the cells, open up the cell to get that glucose into the cell to be used for fuel. And so at any given time, our body is keeping a very delicate balance of our glucose of about 1 teaspoon of glucose going through our body at any given one time for fuel. So when we drink maybe a large sweet tea at one of our favorite fast food restaurants, guess how much glucose or how much sugar we are putting into our system at that time? About 27 teaspoons or about 27 packets of sugar. And so that puts a really big strain on our body to keep that delicate balance. So as you can hear, sugar is not bad in itself. It's the too much sugar that's the problem. And so come back for part 2 of our video series when we talk about the other part of sugar.